Well, hello everyone, and welcome back. It is great to see you all again. We are starting in in my office, my bedroom, whatever you want to call it, because right now there's just something going on in the kitchen. I have everything ready today for what I call the I don't know soup. This is my go-to when I come home and I just don't know what I want for dinner. It is super simple. You can do it with as little as three ingredients, or you can do like I'm going to do today and just jazz it up a bit and turn it from a simple soup into a gorgeous, delicious meal. So, please come join me in the kitchen and let's get cooking. Well, we are back. We have our soup made. I know I shot the video a little differently. It wasn't talking. I wanted the food to talk for itself. And you can see this was super easy, quick. It smells so good. And it's just beautiful. So, let's dig in. Now, I don't know about you, but when I go to a Chinese place, gotta have the chopsticks. And as you might have seen from the photos, I have to have my spring rolls too. So, the dumplings I use today are sweet corn, pork, and mixed vegetable. We have the edamame, the carrot, the ginger, the bamboo, all in. Oh, that looks so good. All in with those vegetables. Like I say, these are sweet corn, pork, and vegetable. These were made at the local market that I showed in the last video. So let's give these a taste. Oh my god. I'm sorry I only put 6 in here. But I'm shooting this video a little early today. Because it's actually only like 10:30. So, didn't want to make too much. But, after tasting those, they are so good. These are just your classic ramen noodles. And if you go to your Asian market, a lot of time you'll find just the noodles. If not, use a chicken ramen or a beef ramen. It'll do the same thing. Just the right amount of chew. Such a good mouthfeel. And of course, that broth that we worked on. Chicken. We've got the flavor of the soy. Definitely the sesame oil that we started all this off with. The ginger comes shining through. I added those stock cubes. Not because I wanted the extra chicken flavor, because I wanted the MSG that's in them. Because that just brings out all those flavors. Oh. I know we didn't make these, but gotta give them a try. These are chicken and spring vegetables with Asian chili. Really, really good. I'll go back for more. So, like I said, you can make this simple as 3 ingredients, just using the chicken stock, the ginger, and the dumplings. Don't want to use the dumplings? Use the noodles, make your own chicken ramen. Really, really nice. Jazz it up. Add the ginger, add the sesame oil, add the soy sauce, add your choice of fresh veggies. I had bean sprouts to go on here, but bean sprouts go bad so fast. I bought them a day ago and they were off today. So if you're going to use bean sprouts, just make sure they're okay before you put them in. Use your favorite dumpling, your favorite gyoza, whatever you like. But just enjoy. Those dumplings just explode with flavor. God, I'm gonna go make more. So next time you don't know what's for dinner, give this a shot. It's quick, it's simple, it is so delicious. Definitely filling. I really hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you all next time. Have a great day.